So now we want to take a look at actually taking some measurements with the voltmeter. And I'll go ahead and use the auto-ranging digital voltmeter for the examples here. Now as you can see, I've got a 680 indicator here. I have a load cell set up. And I have this box here to sort of extend my signal and excitation out where we can see it and take measurements a little bit easier. Now, with these electronics, what I'm dealing with is DC voltage. DC stands for direct current, as opposed to AC voltage, which would be, at the outlet of your home where you would measure AC current. That's alternating current. But as we deal with the electronics here, we're going to be dealing with DC current, voltage, and then also resistance. So we're going to take a look at voltage here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my meter, and you can see here I've got a couple of options for V, which is for voltage, and this one has sort of a little wavy line next to it. That wavy line is an indication of AC, alternating current. And what I want is DC voltage, so I'm going to go to this next setting on the dial, and it's my V for voltage with the straight line next to that, and it also has the dash lines underneath. So the straight line for the DC voltage and the wavy line for the AC voltage. We have an example here with we've got a load cell hooked up to our system here. And as we said earlier, it's important to have an idea of what you're expecting to find when you take a measurement so that you properly set the voltmeter. So I'm expecting something from my load cell in the range of millivolts. This is a 10 volt excitation indicator, so I'm not going to expect anything more than 30 millivolts with a reading here. So what I can do is I can take a measurement of my plus and minus signal leads here. And as you can see, I've got 0 weight on the display. I'll just try to get a good connection there. And if I apply pressure to the cell, we should see that measurement over at the meter start to increase. And then as I let go, it comes back down again. Now I can also take a measurement of my excitation voltage. Again, this is a 10 volt excitation indicator. So if I take a measurement here, I should see something in the neighborhood of 10 volts. Not exactly 10, something a little less, and hopefully something that is very steady. Because it's auto-ranging, I don't have to select a new range. So we'll go ahead and take a measurement here. And we see 9.79 volts, 978, 979.